Welcome to the Character Development in Blender for Beginners course. In this course, you will learn everything involved in making a fully modeled, textured, rigged, and ready to animate character that you could use in a film or game. My name is Danan and I am an animated filmmaking YouTuber and course creator with over 25,000 students. In this course, you will learn the techniques of modeling believable human characters in Blender, as well as everything else needed for a complete character, such as texturing, shading, hair, clothing, rigging, and setting it up to be ready to animate and show off to the world. The course is loaded with tips and tricks that you could use to make character development more efficient and your experience more enjoyable. By the end of this course, you will have developed the skills and techniques needed to be an awesome 3D character developer, and you will finish the course with your own awesome looking character that could be used in a movie. This course is designed for beginners interested in 3D character development for films and games. It is recommended that you do know at least the bare basics of Blender, such as navigating the viewports and the basics of 3D modeling before undertaking this course. If you're ready to take that next step and start being an awesome character developer in Blender, then go ahead and enroll now. Or check out the free videos to test if this course will be the right fit for you. See you in the course.